Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we're talking about the topic of age. So let's get started. Now, a simple question that you have is, what is the best age to learn how to drive? For that, a basic answer you can give, the best age to learn driving varies for different people. Some people might say around 18, because it's when you become an adult. But a far more advanced answer is, determining the optimal age to learn driving is a subjective matter. Generally, 18 or after high school graduation is considered suitable, as individuals are more likely to have a certain level of maturity and responsibility. Another question you could be asked is, how do you feel about getting older? A basic answer could be, getting older can be a bit scary. There's a natural part of life that we can't avoid. Now, as you are taking your IELTS exams, I would assume that you are roughly 18 and preparing for university abroad. And for that, you can be a bit self-reflective, as you are young and you most likely are not getting old yet. A more intermediate answer could be, the concept of aging brings mixed emotions. Whilst there's a sense of apprehension about the passing of time, there's also an acknowledgement that each age brings new experiences and wisdom. Another question 3 in today's video, is, should we treat people of different ages in the same way? Yes, is a basic answer. We should treat everyone the same, regardless of age, because it's fair. While fairness is important, it's essential to recognize that people of different ages have unique needs and perspectives. Treating them respectfully and catering to their specific requirements contributes to a more inclusive and considerate society. Right. There aren't many questions in today's video, so we can get straight onto that reading passage. As always, read along with me, pause when you have to, rewind if you need to. Right, let's get started. In traditional societies, elders were revered for their wisdom and life experience. Shifting the perception of aging to one that values the contributions and knowledge of older generations, building cohesive communities through changing societal norms. Aging brings forth a plethora of opportunities. Retirees seek new challenges, explore hobbies, and engage in philanthropy. It's okay if you sometimes make mistakes with words, guys. Retirees seek new challenges, explore hobbies, and engage in philanthropic endeavors, harnessing the experience and skills of older individuals through mentorship programs, volunteer initiatives, and intergenerational exchanges. Benefiting society and providing a sense of purpose for those in their later years. Addressing the needs of older individuals through accessibility, healthcare, elder-friendly infrastructure, and opportunities for continued learning. Fostering an environment that values and supports aging citizens. Tapping into the potential for continued contributions and enriching the quality of life for seniors. Creating a tapestry of relationships that enhances the fabric of society. Bridging generational gaps through dialogue, shared activities, and mutual respect. Learning from the experiences of the elders and benefiting from the energy and fresh perspective of the youth. Changing societal norms to celebrate the value of every age group. Promoting inclusivity and breaking down stereotypes. Fostering an environment where individuals can age gracefully and contribute meaningfully. Educational initiatives that promote intergenerational understanding and encourage active aging. Aging shapes societies as much as it shapes individuals. Embracing the diversity of ages and recognizing the potential for growth, contribution, and mutual support. Creating vibrant communities through celebrating the experiences of each stage of life and implementing policies that cater to the needs of all. Forging a path where people of every age can thrive and find fulfillment. Together, we can embrace the journey of aging. Right, so that's the story. And again, if you need to replay it, that's okay. You have to learn at your own pace. Next, we have vocabulary and expressions that you can use in everyday life, but also you can plan if this topic comes up. As you see behind me, the words, it's quite a long list. I'm only going to go through a few, because some of them I'm sure you already know. Perception of aging. Now, these are the stereotypes, the prejudice, the ageism, revere, dignity, and wisdom that comes with what we think of people of different ages. Positive aging, people who age gracefully, flourish in later life. Or the interdependence of generations. This is where different generations work together, mutually support one another. Challenges and opportunities. The Silverstone Army, as it is called, the aging population of most countries in today's world. Or the wisdom and experience. These are the life lessons and the accumulated knowledge our elders have. For expressions, we have the tapestry of life experiences. This is the weave of how our life comes together. Or the treasure trove of wisdom. We've used the word treasure as a metaphor in multiple expressions throughout the videos, so go back to earlier ones to see what I mean. The treasure trove of wisdom is a treasure chest. It's full of useful things for us. And then it could be, age is not a number. Yeah? I am somewhere over 30, and this age is not a number. I can act as silly as a 16-year-old, and I can act as grumpy as a 70-year-old. Young minds infuse innovation. Innovation will always come from the youth of our generation, and that's how society will progress. Right, next we have our paraphrasing questions, statements, and descriptions. As always, you're on your own for the descriptions. Now, what influence do you think newspapers have on society? How do you believe newspapers impact the broader community? How often do you read news? What frequency are you engaged with news updates? Okay, next we have your paraphrasing questions, statements, and descriptions. Today, you're on your own. So I'm going to play through the clip. You should pause, have a go yourself, and work your answers into what you feel comfortable speaking. Other than that, have a great day. See you on the next one.